use a function called round in Python. It's very easy to do. So for example, if I want to round an integer, a simple integer without decimals, I can just say print and round, and I can say 17 for example. I can just print that. It will print as 17. Decimal, I can just say print round 19.6, and it will be, I'll get the answer 20. So it will print until print the 19.6. If I have 19.62, still I'll get 20. Okay. If I have 3.8, I will get 4. 3.2 will give me 3. Okay. But if I want it to be rounded to the nearest decimal place, I can say, I can just say, for example, this is my number. I can just say round it off to the nearest third decimal place. Okay, and I'll just print that, and you can see it's it's rounded off to the nearest third decimal place. So I don't want these many decimal places, so I just want it up till third. So it's like 0.234. Okay, I can round it off to 2 decimal places. Okay, it's 3.23. So I need to mention the decimal places I want, otherwise it will just round off to the nearest whole number. If I just remove that, and if I just play that without adding or instructing the amount of decimal places I want, it will just round off to the nearest whole number, which is 3.